Why Hull College? Hull College is at the heart of the community in the city of Hull. We've divided ourselves into 7 institutes at the college. Why 7 institutes? Well, we decided that as a college, what we had wasn't really working. Hull College is moving forward. And to move forward and make ourselves more attuned to what industry require, we decided to separate ourselves into 7 institutes. Those 7 institutes have 7 separate managers, all with a target of working with all the local employers in the region. We're a fully inclusive college. We're a community-focused college. We put the community at the heart of everything we do at Hull College. What we'd like to do is, and what our plans are, and what we're currently working on, is an employer hub. And we would welcome any employers that want to work with our departments. My particular department, my 2 departments, are the Institute of Advanced Vehicle Technologies and the Institute of Digital and Advanced Manufacturing. And as a college, and as an area, and you come to an event like this, you can see how the digital advancements in the sector are utilised fully across the trade areas that I manage. The curriculum that we have structured is aimed at getting our students into employment. Employment's a massive thing for our college. It's a massive thing for the industry. If you look across this city, the 2 things that we lack really are the people with the skills to meet those jobs. I'm a great believer in the jobs in Hull should go to Hull people. Hull's quite a deprived area. And the ability to work for Hull College and give our students those skills to meet those skills gaps, to me, is massively important. And that's why I'm so proud to work for Hull College, because we are a college that cares about the town. We are a college who cares about working with employers, about giving students the opportunities that we've all had in our past. In my particular area, we have been very fortunate. We are advancing our vehicle technology centre into a centre of excellence for electronic vehicles. We are working with local and regional employers, and we want to work with more local and regional employers, and we want your help with that. As a college, again, we're completely focused on the careers of the future. We'd like our students to be your future employees. We'd like our students to work and come to events like this and embrace those new technologies that are available here. With our curriculum, devised from working with employers, devised about coming from events like this, embracing new technology, we want our students to have a clear directive from industry, a clear directive from the local jobs market. And you guys are the people who can give them that opportunity. And I would welcome contacts with any of you who would like to work with us. As a college, and our curriculum, it's aimed at giving our students a seamless progression to go into higher levels. As I mentioned, we are fully inclusive. We have students from entry level all the way up to level 7. And along that journey, everything is planned out for our students. And again, it's tailored to industry requirements, focused on getting our students into employment. We want to harness new technology. I'm amazed by some of the things I've seen today. Some of the robotics we've got over here, the virtual reality and the augmented reality is something our students embrace. We've had some at our stand today the younger people that have young students that have come to use our technology have embraced it fully. And that's, to me, is the watchword for where I need to go with my area. Above all, again, to get more employer engagement, we are going to have more employer events at the college. And we welcome you to attend those employer engagement events at the college. Because again, we can't devise our curriculum without speaking to you guys. Our whole aim is our students. And a complete focus, and I thank you for your listening to me today. I know it's only a short presentation. However, I'd like to thank you for listening to us. I'd like to tell you what our institute will look like in the future. Our institute will finally it'll be a professional institute. It'll be employer-led. You'll be invited in to talk to our students. And above all, I want you to remember what I said. I do believe jobs need to go to Hull people, and we need to give those students the opportunities that we've all had in the past. And I welcome your involvement, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.